Hi, it's a beautiful night in Kiev and I am testing the new Starlink REV4. It's the first Starlink REV4 in Ukraine and in Kiev. Also, I am comparing the new Starlink with the most popular Starlink REV3. I'm gonna run some tests like speed test, alignment test and so on. As a power source I'm using my EcoFlow Delta 2, so you can see it's already turned on. And this is a new router already connected, so let's power the thing on. Let's wait for booting. As you can see, there is already a light on the router. This means it's booting. Still no consumption. Oh yeah, now we can see that it consumes almost 100 watts. This is a typical and normal consumption for the new kit. And now it's booting. When the new Starlink starts, it tries to determine the location and also alignment. And since there's no motors, it will ask you to point it to the right direction. As you can see, I am moving the Starlink right now, and Starlink apps tells is it correct alignment or not. It might be a little slow depending on the internal calibration of the sensors, but finally, yeah, it's aligned. Please don't mind this yellow tape. I already disassembled the new terminal, but it was quite difficult, and also difficult to assemble it back, but it's not affects our test, so just don't mind. Let's check the consumption again, and now we can see that it's almost 50 watts, so it's quite okay, I would say. Now I think Starlink should be online. Let's check its status in official app and in a Star Debug, and we can do some speed test. As you can see, everything is okay in Star Debug. All models are green except for Caddy, the clock generator, and this is okay for the new Starlink because the new Starlink doesn't have the Caddy generator. It's quite different hardware architecture, so it's okay, just don't mind. And now it's time to test the revision 3. It's already connected and powered on, so now we can wait a little bit and run the same test. And this is consumption of the revision 3 terminal. It's slightly lower, and this is expected. So now I guess we can check its status and run speed test. Well, the new terminal performs slightly better, higher speeds and low latency, but the consumption is higher, which is expected. I think there might be a combination of factors: a bigger and better antenna with higher SNR and higher possible modulation, plus the new AX router. Also, the speed test selected different servers for some reason. Unfortunately, I cannot pick the same server, but I got even worse results with other servers. But we all know that the REV3 Starlink can achieve similar download speeds. I can conduct more advanced and technical tests, measure speed, latency and jitter over the cable, excluding Wi-Fi. If you wish, please write in the comments. I guess that's all, so thank you for watching and bye.